नेवर, क्योंकि थूका हुआ चाटा नहीं जाता।
तो बंदा ब्लैंक हो जाता है।
वरना होती सारी है माइंड
होती है
में।
बहुत सारी। Telling your partner what to wear, protecting the relationship or controlling the wardrobe.
90% यहाँ आदमी ये है कि वो आपकी वार्डरोब कंट्रोल जबरदस्ती करते हैं। वो इसलिए नहीं करते टू प्रोटेक्ट यू। व्हेन आई नो कि भाई अब 2 हफ्ते हो गए बेस्ट फ्रेंड को फोन नहीं किया, अब कॉल करूंगी गालियां पड़ेंगी, तो मैं लिखती हूँ हे यार वी नीड टू टॉक, आई नीड टू टॉक टू यू।
You know, you had a toxic boyfriend जिसके अंदर potential था
हाँ।
पूरा कि वो सही हो सकता था, या he could have been the one.
I'm dressed like this, I'm looking sexy for you, bro. You know, I'm not looking sexy for the next door neighbor or for this kitchen set that you bought me. बहुत ही absurd कपड़े हैं ना, और and the guy feels like कि माहौल ठीक नहीं है for you to wear something like that. तो लड़की खुद ही मान जाएगी।
Hello and welcome to our very own show Relationships, Toxic Takes and Honest Mistakes. आज हमारे साथ गेस्ट हैं मरियम अंसारी, which is very good friend of mine. और मैंने सोचा कि क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारे अपने दोस्तों को बुला रही हूँ इस शो के ऊपर, तो मैं मरियम को भी बुलाऊं।
Thank you for having me, Naina. Honestly, it's a pleasure to be here. और जब तुमने मुझसे पूछा कि would you like to come on my show, I was like, damn, yes. Hell yeah, I'm gonna come on your show.
चलो, it's so good to hear that. I want to ask, मैं ये सबसे पूछती हूँ कि when I told you about this, when I shared the name of my show, what did you think?
I thought it was so creative and it was super Gen Z, honestly. Because, you know, we all, कि सबके problems क्या होते हैं? Your friends come over, they're like, yeah, relationship में ये हो गया, relationship है, situationship है, ये कौन सी shit है? So it's perfect, relationship. It totally makes sense, you know.
Right. So, I think हम पहले इस सबसे पहले आपको थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे देते हैं अपने शो का.
Okay.
You don't have to share if you don't want to, but
Okay.
I am expecting some really spicy stories from you. I would love to hear some good stuff from you.
Okay, what do you
Are
want
we
to hear?
ready? Are we ready?
I don't know, but okay. Come on, spill
Okay.
some tea, girl.
Spill some beans, give me some tea. So हमारा first segment है story time.
Okay,
Do
story
you have
time.
any story related to this term, relationship?
Yeah, relationships actually. Stories तो as such बहुत हैं. मतलब, what do you talk to you about your friends? You know, like your friends come over, they talk to you, they're always like कि ये हो गया यार, उसने ये कर दिया.
यार,
Why are men so toxic?
आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में किसी एक ना एक का तो कोई ना कोई इशू चल रहा होता है रिलेशनशिप
Yeah.
में. तो you always have stories to tell to people and even to us.
Yeah. I mean, you tell me a story first. You tell me something,
Yeah,
then maybe I can
have
catch on
tons
to
of
it.
stories of my own as well and
Yeah.
of my friends as well. So, देखा, ये एकदम पूछते हैं ना तो बंदा ब्लैंक हो जाता
हाँ,
है.
वरना होती सारी हैं माइंड
होती है
में.
बहुत सारी.
माइंड में बहुत सारी होती हैं, बट इस तरह नहीं समझ में आता. बट आई थिंक एज वी स्पीक आई कैन रिकलेक्ट समथिंग और अनदर. होती तो बहुत मज़ेदार हैं. एक स्टोरी है बहुत मज़े की है, लेकिन बताऊंगी तो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड नाराज़ हो जाएगी.
You don't have
बट
to
उसके
name
बड़े
anyone.
मज़े की स्टोरीज होती हैं यार. उसके साथ बड़ी बड़ी मज़े की हमने चीज़ें की हैं. I don't even know, like, I don't know, once she had like this this guy she was talking to, and it was just he was so strange. He was just like like he was just like. और फिर मैंने उसकी ना पूरी बर्थडे अरेंज की थी अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड की, और सब किया मैंने, सब चीज़ें की, और वो एंड में आया ना, वो एंड में आया, उसने कोई फूल इधर उधर रख दिया होगा, और एंड में उसने बोला कि मैंने सब किया. उसने पूरा क्रेडिट ले लिया, उसने सब अपने ऊपर रख लिया, हालांकि मेरी दोस्त को पता था नहीं, he didn't do jack shit, but I was like ये कौन से लोग हैं भाई, ये कहाँ से आया है, like it was just mind boggling to me कि ये ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं यार जो
Yeah.
मतलब आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड से वो फुल कंपटीशन करने की कोशिश
हाँ, और
करते हैं।
भाई बेस्ट फ्रेंड से कंपटीशन हमेशा रहता है।
Yeah.
आपके पार्टनर का आपके सिबलिंग्स से एक एक अनसेड राइवलरी,
Yeah.
और आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ
Yeah.
द क्लोजर वंस उनके साथ ये रहता है, I guess,
हाँ।
है ना?
अच्छा हमारे ना because we're all like we're very outgoing girls in the sense के very open mindset है हमारा, लेकिन हम रहते एक बहुत close circle में।
हाँ,
मतलब हम हर किसी के साथ उठे बैठेंगे नहीं, एंड we're just जो हैं हम बचपन से साथ हैं और ऐसे ही रहता है। सो आई फील लाइक हमारा ना टॉक्सिक ट्रेट ये था that we would always जो अच्छा लड़का आएगा ना अगर हमारे पास, तो हम उसे बोलते थे नो यार he's too sweet यार, he's so
friends on कर
nice,
दो, उसको bros on कर दो यार।
he's so sweet, he's too sweet, I'm not used to it, but जब कोई मतलब bad boy आता था जो हमें करता था, कहते थे यही चाहिए बस यही चाहिए, this is us like when we were in school or something.
Oh my God.
So we would get into so much trouble for it, and फिर पता नहीं रिसेंटली भी यही हुआ। ऑब्वियसली अब हम बड़ी हो गई हैं, हमें उस पैटर्न की अब इतनी आदत हो गई थी कि recently somebody now that my friend's engaged and she's like oh my god, he's doing such nice things for me and I'm not used to it. I was like no, you should accept it, he's nicer, he's a nice person, so stop sabotaging it. और हम ये भी करते हैं, हम एक दूसरे को इतनी अच्छी एडवाइस देते हैं when it comes to relationships, मतलब इतनी अच्छी एडवाइस कि भाई तू अपने ऊपर भी इम्प्लीमेंट करना ये एडवाइस, व्हाई आर यू ओनली इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इट ऑन मी। वो मुझे बोलती है तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि तुम बात नहीं सुनती हो, तो मैं कहती हूँ और तुम भी बात नहीं सुनती हो, but she's gonna kill me. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, I can't speak about myself, so I'm sorry. I'm married.
Oh my God, I have a story. Like, so I know these people, these two girls,
Yeah.
and they're both sisters. And I'm not gonna tell you.
Oh, okay.
I'll tell you later कि वो कौन थी.
Okay.
And so there was a guy who was talking to one of them,
Yeah.
and the same guy started talking to the other one, and so as sisters, and they had a very good bond. They were like, "Is this the same guy?" And it turned out like he was the same guy.
Oh my god.
तो इन लोगों ने क्या किया कि इन लोगों ने उसको बुलाया। अब एक बंदी बैठ गई जिसने उसको बुलाया है उस टेबल पर, और दूसरी वाली बंदी बैक करके अपनी दूसरी साथ वाली टेबल पे बैठ गई so that he cannot see her face.
Yeah.
और वो बंदा आया और वो आके जो है ना बहुत यो बन के, और उसने आके सारी उसने सारे कार्ड्स फेंक दिए अपने कि बस ये हूँ मैं और
Yeah.
ऐसा और वैसा. And obviously they both knew कि ये क्या हो रहा है. और थोड़ी देर बाद the other sister came on the same table.
He didn't know that the two were sisters?
No.
He knew.
He knew.
Oh my gosh.
And then he lost his shit there.
Yeah.
He was like कि उसको किसी सांप ने डस लिया है. He was
God, what a
quiet.
narcissist.
And they both laughed their asses off.
Oh my
वो
god.
हंस,
that's
अच्छा
so
उन्होंने
funny.
कुछ नहीं कहा उसे, वो हंस के उनकी हालत खराब हो गई थी कि हमने क्या किया
Oh
उसके
my
साथ.
god, that is so funny.
एंड देन उसके बाद वो 15-20 मिनट ये हुआ. 15-20 मिनट इस सिचुएशन में इज लाइक अ लॉन्ग टाइम.
Yeah, they must have confronted.
ओह माय गॉड, वो तो इतना हंसी है. और इवेंचुअली वो उसने कहा कि एक्सक्यूज मी, और वो करके चला गया.
Oh my god. How embarrassing. Like I
And you
feel
know
like I
what? उस जगह का, उस रेस्टोरेंट का जो मैनेजर था, he also knew.
Oh,
And
wow.
he was like, वाह
my
बहुत अच्छा
God,
किया.
That is so funny. अल्लाह माफ करे यार, ये मतलब मुझे कभी लगता है कि men need to kind of understand what, अगर आप कर रहे हो कुछ तो आप थोड़ा strategically तो करो. मतलब यार
एक ही घर में दोनों बहनें.
हाँ मतलब I feel like women are such good FBI agents. मतलब वो
Very good
वो
detectives.
इतनी अच्छी डिटेक्टिव्स हैं, वो कहीं से भी ना उनको फील हुआ या उनको पता, थोड़ी छठी हिस्स उनकी जागी, दे आर गोइंग किसी भी कोने कुदड़े से निकाल देंगी
Oh,
वो
निकाल
अपनी
लाती है।
एविडेंस,
Oh
और वो
my
कहेंगी
God.
ये था, ये था, ये था, ये था, अब तुम बोलो कि तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया, यू नो. एंड देन समटाइम्स जो समझदार होती हैं वो कहती हैं बाय बाय, लेकिन कुछ जो समझदार नहीं होती हैं, no offense, you know, I just hope you get out of that vicious cycle, but जो नहीं होती समझदार, they're just like, अच्छा चलो मैंने तुम्हें माफ किया, फिर करो मेरे साथ, do it again. So,
I like when you hurt me. Okay,
my
so
God, that's
that
funny.
was our first segment.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
I did. That
मेरा
was funny.
पूरा शो ऐसा है.
Oh,
You
damn.
will like literally remember this. Second segment हमारा है hot takes and heartbreaks.
Okay.
जिसके अंदर हम आपसे कुछ Gen Z relationship की terms share करेंगे और आप हमें बताएंगे कि आपको इनका मतलब पता है या नहीं.
Okay.
अगर पता है तो क्या मतलब है. First term है catch flights not feelings.
Yes, I would want to catch flights, but not feelings. I've done that plenty of times, by the way.
You know the meaning?
Yeah, of course. What, you think I'm some oldie?
No, I mean most of the people have no idea. Like अभी तक मैंने जितने episodes shoot किए, no one knew any term.
Catch flights, not feelings?
Yeah.
I mean, you're at the airport, you're just like, catch flights, not feelings. ये नहीं पता
Obviously,
किसी
yeah.
को.
Canon event.
What?
Canon event.
Canon event. Like a bomb event? No? A bomb-ass event? Das event?
It's a pivotal heartbreak or dating mistake you had to go through.
Oh, okay. No,
Canon
I did
event.
not know that at all.
Did you ever went through canon event?
So many times.
So many times.
So many times.
कैनन में बिठा के मैं उड़ा दिया था.
Oh, अच्छा मैं समझ गई canon event. हाँ तो वही हुआ ना, bomb event.
Toxic loyalty.
Toxic loyalty. Oh, toxic loyalty. I think the term says it all, ना? होते
is it?
toxic हैं लेकिन loyal नहीं होते आपके साथ.
No, so it means staying in a messy relationship just because of history. Because अब इतने साल से हम साथ हैं तो चलो साथ ही
ये वही
रह
वाली
लेते हैं.
बात होगी ना, toxic
हाँ,
loyalty. बस.
Toxic loyalty.
Yeah.
Kind of salvageable.
Sorry, what?
Kind of salvageable.
Kind of what?
Kind of salvageable.
Kind of savageable?
Salvageable.
मतलब kind of savage.
Describing a toxic ex who might have potential.
Oh,
no.
यार ये Gen Z terms बहुत
But
मुश्किल
no.
है यार. ये keep it simple, keep it real,
Salvageable.
bro.
It means कि you know you had a toxic boyfriend जिसके अंदर potential था
हाँ.
पूरा कि वो सही हो सकता था या he could have been the one,
Okay,
but no.
he was not.
But no.
तो ये तो सारे ऐसे ही हैं.
चलो यार, still you knew like two?
One.
Still यार, अभी तक किसी को कुछ नहीं पता था. I'll share the rest of the terms
Yeah.
as well. वो तुमसे मैं बाद में करूँगी.
Okay, done.
Our third segment is toxic or timeless. I'm going to give you a situation यहाँ पर.
Okay, ठीक है.
And I'll ask, okay, is it like a green flag or a red flag for you?
Okay, ठीक है.
Should men always make first move? It's 2025, grow up. Anyone can shoot their shot. Or men should do it.
No, men should do it. I mean, why
Like
not?
always?
Like always. I mean, depends on what the situation is. But if you ask me, I would want the man to do it. I want the man to initiate the dates. I want the man to be like, hey girl, let's go for a movie. I want the man to be like, lao मैं pamper change कर देता हूँ. You know, so lao मैं कमरा साफ कर देता हूँ. So I'd be like, okay, you know. So देखो, I feel like कि जो चीज़ें पहले नहीं होती थी, ज़्यादातर औरतें इनिशिएट करती थी ना कि मैं खाना लगा दूं या मैं रोटी बना दूं या मैं आप चाय पियेंगे. Even like the little things, like I'm talking about our moms, what they did, what
Yeah.
we grew up seeing, right? I feel like times have changed. So I always, when I wake up in the morning, my husband always asks me, "Hey, do you want breakfast? Should
So
I boil the
cute.
eggs for you? What are you gonna have, boiled eggs? Are you gonna make your breakfast yourself? You know, so I want that option to be able to say yes or no, you know, and call me spoiled, call me a brat, but honestly, I like it, you know. And why not?
Who wouldn't like
Who
it?
wouldn't like it? I want to be that woman who has at least a choice to make, you know, whether I want it or whether I don't want it. So for me, if my husband says, "Hey, let's go on a vacation," and I'm gonna be like, "Yeah, he's planning a vacation." So that's what women thrive on. They want, that's just women in their own. They will give a lot to their man.
Yeah.
You know, they will do it even without him asking.
Yeah,
So the
completely.
least they can get out of out of their man is that he should initiate the little things. Okay, you know,
Yeah,
like
I
अब
guess
मैं
कि
मूवी में बैठी हुई हूँ, sorry to cut you short, मैं मूवी में बैठी हुई हूँ, हम लेट हो गए मूवी पे, we went to watch Jurassic World, and uh, me and my husband are sitting there, and we didn't get popcorns, right? And I don't like watching my movie without popcorns, and I also don't like missing the first scene, but neither does he. But the thing is that that gesture of being like, hey, you know, just keep watching, I'll go get the popcorns. मैं भी ला सकती थी, उसका भी दिल चाहता होगा यार मुझे नहीं मिस करना फर्स्ट सीन, you know, तुम जाके ले आओ. लेकिन I'm just a girl, you know. So I just want to be treated like that, and that's it. Like, you know, I like when my husband does those things for me, which is why I chose him as my husband, because
That's why
I've
he's your husband.
yeah, literally, I have met so many men who are
So many frogs.
yeah, कि यार मैं बर्थडे कैसे अरेंज करूँ, मुझे बर्थडे नहीं करनी आती यार, मैं मेरी बर्थडे तो कर दो यार, यू नो लाइक, अरे भाई यार ठीक है वो तो गिवन है, बट अपनी भी बर्थडे खुद अरेंज करो, उसकी भी अरेंज करो, खाना भी, चीज़ें भी, मतलब यार हैव योर ओन डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर, एंड दैट्स sexy when a man has his
Yeah, that is actually sexy.
yeah,
Oh my
when they
God,
can,
for the first time I'm hearing this, and it's like actually the right term. It's not manly, it's not, overpowering. It's
Yeah.
sexy.
literally it's nice, you know, I feel
And it's
more
not even-
love for him.
हाँ,
I'm like,
it's,
wow,
it's not even कि मतलब people who actually do this, the other people criticize them,
Yeah.
or they kind of make them feel bad about it, because वो 1000 चीजें अच्छा, you are like you're submissive, you're like ओ अपनी बीवी के या अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के इतना ज्यादा बातों में है, and they
Wow.
try to make them feel bad about these beautiful gestures,
Yeah, I
which
mean,
make them
these are-
more sexier.
Of course, like for me, that this is what my relationship thrives on, and mashallah, 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 I'm blessed. I don't, you know, having him do something without me having to ask him is a privilege.
Yeah.
You know, वो चीज़ जो मेरे माइंड में चल रहा होता है वो हो जाती है. And you know what? Like my dad was the same with my mom. So the standard and the bar was raised way high even before I got married. So, I mean, I think all women should.
I think every father should set an example by
Yeah.
treating their own wives that way for their daughters.
Of course, you know, that's how it
Because
should be.
we didn't have that example, so
Yeah.
we settled down for like even below the minimum आपका
Yeah,
जो
the
होता है
bare
ना,
minimum,
bare
minimum
minimum
से
से
भी
भी
कम.
नीचे हम कहीं जाके settle हो जाते थे कि अच्छा यार चलो ये तो है ही ना,
Yeah.
मतलब इंसान तो है.
नहीं यार, यही the
But-
thing in our generation, I feel like problem ये है that we settle for less, and especially जो आने वाली generation है, देखें अब मेरी खुद की बेटी है, I'm gonna make sure that we as parents have given her every experience that she could have ever encountered, ताकि वो कभी small gesture से impress ही ना हो.
Impressive now.
You know, and that's in my head, हाँ ठीक है, लोग शायद हमारे टाइम में हमारे माँ बाप कहते थे नहीं नहीं यार बिगड़ जाएगी, ज़्यादा नहीं करो बिगड़ जाएगी, ये नहीं करो, सर हाथों से निकल जाएगी, यही टर्म्स होते थे ना.
yeah.
बट व्हेन यू गिव योर चिल्ड्रन दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ, एंड बी इट योर डॉटर और बी इट योर सन, if your mother is being treated, if a son is watching his mother being treated like a queen at home, he will do the same with his wife.
Yeah.
And it's जो आजकल के लड़के हैं जो बहुत गैसलाइट करते हैं अपनी बीवियों को या अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स को, या एक नार्सिसिस्टिक ट्रेट्स होते हैं उनके अंदर.
अभी so I was talking to someone and I got to know so there's a woman who is like a newlywed woman and she just have a small baby, 1 year old. She was like, I know her. She's very educated. She was a very elegant lady. But unfortunately she got married to this guy who is extreme level of, जैसे कहते हैं ना आप, misogyny और
Oh my gosh.
narcissistic किस्म का जो behavior होता है. So I was like कि okay, you don't have to like carry this relation, but this is like a very huge thing to I would say conquer, because not everyone have that liberty to, or even that courage to, you don't even sometimes know that you have that courage to fight for it. You don't have that courage. You feel, क्योंकि आपके सबसे पहले जो चीज़ ख़त्म होती है ना, वो होती है सेल्फ स्टीम. जब आपकी सेल्फ स्टीम ही नहीं होती है तो फिर you don't know कि अच्छा अब आप बजाते खुद क्या हैं. ठीक है. Now that आज जो बात हो रही थी वो ये थी कि जी वो उसको नेल पेंट नहीं लगाने दे रहा, because he doesn't want her to paint her nails. He doesn't want her to put lipsticks on
He knows that she's better than him.
Yeah, she is, and that's even proven. That is actually so out loud that no one even have to say it or tell that to her.
It's very evident. Yeah.
It is very much out loud there. And uske saath, like I would ask him, okay, you don't want her to put nail paint? Are you wearing shalwar takhno se upar? Do you have a beard?
Yeah.
If you're like too religious, which you're not, I know you. Is this the case? तो मैं कहूँगी अच्छा यार चलो वो इतना religious है और तुम्हें पहले से पता था तो but that's not the case. The case is कि it's just he is so helpless. He cannot even hide this whole misogyny and narcissistic behavior.
The problem is that our men, and not just our men all over the world, but हाँ हमारे यहाँ ज़्यादा है. The problem is that they are so, how do I tell you? They're so protected, and they're always given the benefit of the doubt for everything. कि ओ मेरा बेटा, मेरा चांद सा बेटा, मेरा बेटा नहीं हाथ लगाएगा, नहीं तुम छोड़ दो मैं तुम्हारे बर्तन धो देती हूँ, नहीं मैं खाना गर्म करके लाती हूँ, ओ भाई रात के 4 बज रहे हैं, दोस्तों के साथ आया, मैं रात को सो नहीं सकी, लाओ मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ खाने को पराठा बना दूँ, भाई आप आलू के पराठे रात को. So I blame the mothers of that time for not setting boundaries. I feel like boundaries are so important to be. It reflects when you see a man, you automatically cannot blame anybody else other than their mothers or the environment they grew up in. Because if I am a boy mom, I will make sure that I'm strict with my daughter, but I'm pretty strict with my son. And my son should know the core values that a woman holds. मुझे बताओ ऐसा क्या काम है जो औरत नहीं कर सकती और जो आदमी करता है जो औरत नहीं कर सकती.
I have no idea.
और ऐसे कौन से काम हैं जो औरत कर सकती है जो आदमी नहीं कर सकता?
There are a few.
There are more than a few. So I feel like कि ये हमने ना एक प्रेशर एक चीज़ बनाई हुई है अपने माइंड में. और खैर I think God has created us in such a way where men exist because we are, as women, we like to be nurtured as well. We are very nurturing. We also like to be nurtured. We like to be taken care of. I feel like in this day and age, especially with the Gen Z, feel like वो अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स को पाल रही है भाई, खाना भी निवाले खिला खिला के। उन्होंने उनको शुगर मामाज बनाया हुआ है भाई कि तुम ही पे कर दो ना यार, चलो तुम पे कर दो भाई, क्यों पे करें भाई? like what is this logic?
Yeah,
What happened to
boys,
the gentlemen's?
boys nowadays are princesses.
Yeah, literally, boys nowadays are princesses, and they need to understand that a woman holds a lot of power, and a woman has the right to have her own career. A woman has the right to make her own money, spend it on you if she wants to.
Yeah.
Okay. And बहुत जगह लोग 50-50 करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है।
I
अगर
believe
अच्छी
कि ठीक है,
कम्युनिकेशन
अगर
हो तो 50-50 भी कर लेते हैं यार।
हाँ।
लेकिन अगर जैसे एक माँ है और वो स्टे एट होम मॉम है और वो नहीं काम कर सकती, तो फिर द मैन हैज टू स्टेप अप एंड डू द जॉब दैट ही इज प्रोवाइडेड टू डू, बिकॉज देन शी इज डूइंग टेकिंग ऑन द हाउस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ना। बट कह देना कि सारी औरतों के ऊपर ये वो है, क्या बोलते हैं,
वाजिब हो गया
है
है।
कि भाई तू बर्तन धोएगी, कपड़े धोएगी, इस्त्री भी करेगी, बच्चे को भी संभालेगी ना। ब्रो, नो, it's 50-50. If she's cooking,
Yeah.
then you can cut the tomatoes. If she's cleaning, changing the bed, she just help her out, हाथ बटा दो। I just feel like कि बाहर के cultures में ये चीज़ होती है because they don't have help at home. They don't have
they're more
house help.
trained to do their
They're
home
more
chores.
trained to do their own chores, whatever होता होगा कि कुछ ऐसे हैं. It depends person to person. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna say कि हर कोई in the west या बाहर यही करता है. I mean इधर भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ये करते हैं और चीज़ें अपनी
Glasses.
चीज़ें करते हैं. So but it just varies कि आपकी तरबियत कैसी हुई है.
Oh yes.
So
आपका
just-
ब्रॉट अप बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता
बहुत
है
matter
सब के
करता है.
अंदर, बिकॉज यार आपको नहीं समझ आता। आई फील हमारा वैसे ये शो बहुत ज्यादा लाइक हंसी मजाक में निकल जाता है, बट आई ट्राई टू इन्फ्यूज सम इंफॉर्मेशन या
Yeah.
कोई अच्छी चीज उसमें जिससे कुछ लोगों को फायदा भी हो। आई वांट टू टेल द मदर्स दैट आप खुद तो ये करती हैं कि जिस तरह तुमने बताया रात को 4 बजे उठ के जो है वो रोटियां और पराठे बना के दे रही होंगी, बट देन दे स्टार्ट ट्रेनिंग देयर डॉटर्स टू डू दिस कि अच्छा भाई आ गया है, भाई के चाहे आप खुद भी काम कर रही हैं,
भाई
ठीक है,
क्यों?
आप भी काम से आई हैं, भाई भी काम से आया, बट भाई अगर काम से आ गया देन यू हैव टू बी इन किचन एज वेल।
भाई
ठीक
खुद
है?
भी ले सकता
हाँ,
है भाई.
आपको खाना भी उसको देना है, आपको उसके जूते भी जो है वो ला के उसके पाँव में रखने हैं, आपको उसकी लॉन्ड्री भी करनी, बट व्हाई?
क्यों?
जस्ट बिकॉज
सो इट वाज अ गिवन दैट जब मैं और अली दोनों आएंगे शूट से, तो अगर हम खाना खाएंगे, हम फ्रिज में से निकालेंगे, हम अपनी प्लेट्स बनाएंगे, विल वार्म द फूड आवरसेल्व्स. व्हेन वी आर डन, वी बोथ विल वॉश आवर प्लेट्स. नोबडी विल वॉश इट फॉर अस. Because even when the house help used to come, we used to have a cook that used to come and cook. So there was nobody to, the cook was like, I don't have time to wash the dishes. I'm going to come, I'm going to cook, I'm going to leave. और जो मैंने mess create किया वो मैं of course I'll clean it up, but other than that I'm not going to clean anything up. Right? So it was a given, and we, even when we were in Saudi Arabia, we used to do the same thing, and it just, abhi tak when I go back to my house, I would eat and I would put the plate back. Wash it and put the plate back. Same with my brother. And he's, people probably think, oh, why do you have to do it? Oh, leave it. No. बस वो अब बचपन से इंस्टिल हो गई ना आदत.
आदत हो गई है.
और
I think
इससे-
this is a very good habit which I think every parent have to teach their kids so that वो किसी और को ये ना कहें कि भाई लेकर आओ.
Yeah.
Or in a, not even with a please or request, like it's an order.
Yeah. I mean, that's how it should be. अरे भाई अगर पानी है, एक सिंपल सी बात है, पानी है, पीना है, आपने पीना है, आप चल के जाओ वहाँ डिस्पेंसर, fill it yourself, drink your water. So for me, my ideology over here is that the only thing that I feel like is wrong is, okay, you have house help, you have everything, but to misuse that house help just because, or misuse your wife or if you're living in a live-in relationship and you have your girlfriend or whatever, to be like, yaar mera ye kaam kar do, oh can you dry my clothes, oh can you do this, oh can you, similarly going for the girl as well. I'm not just
Yeah.
talking about men in general, but obviously वो ज़्यादा उधर से ही चीज़ें होती हैं, because it's ताली ना दो हाथों से बजती है.
हाँ.
And whenever you need, every woman needs help. ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं that make women feel supported in a relationship. Okay, you know, if you are on a 12-hour duty, I'm sure you're tired. But if a woman is with a kid for 24 hours, she needs 1-2 hours to herself. You know, okay, you know, I know you're tired, but this is your kid too, so just, can I go breathe? You know, I mean, like, it doesn't matter, you know, everyone needs some space. So बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अपने partners को support करो, and likewise there's stay-at-home dads as well.
Yeah,
There's
and
some
I
men who are
appreciate that.
stay-at-home dads. So if a woman is coming after a 12, 14, 15-hour shift, or she's doing a 9 to 5 job and she is coming home, then that's your kid too, girl. You know, give your husband a break. He's a stay-at-home dad. He's probably struggling in his mind, okay, oh, I'm not working. That's how the male ideology works, because if they're not working, they feel useless.
Yeah.
You know? So that's how we're all created.
Yeah. So that was a green flag.
Yeah. Oh wow, अभी
चलो।
तो एक ही क्वेश्चन के ऊपर इतनी लंबी की है मैंने. Oh God.
चलो जी, हमारा नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट है टॉक्सिक और टाइमलेस, और इसमें हम आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे. टेलिंग योर पार्टनर व्हाट टू वेयर, प्रोटेक्टिंग द रिलेशनशिप और कंट्रोलिंग द वार्डरोब.
Controlling the wardrobe, I feel like. I say this because देखिए दो एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. एक एस्पेक्ट ये है कि अगर कोई बहुत ही absurd कपड़े हैं ना, और and the guy feels like कि माहौल ठीक नहीं है for you to wear something like that, तो लड़की खुद ही मान जाएगी. गर्ल्स का नेचर ये है कि she'll be like, okay, yeah, I think you're right, you know. She will also have that sense na कि okay, you know, I'm going to Sadar, I'm not going to wear like a mini skirt and a tank top, right? एक खुद ही sense होती है. हम क्या पहन के जाते हैं when we go to Sadar? We probably wear shalwar kameez. Okay. So similarly, if they're like labor workers at home wearing our PJs, we probably wear like a long shirt or something like that. Okay, you know, like खुले कपड़े पहन लिए घर पे. But if you're home and there's nobody at home and you're dressed in whatever you feel like dressing, and then somebody comes to you and goes, why are you wearing that? Hey, I'm dressed like this. I'm looking sexy for you, bro. You know, I'm not looking sexy for the next door neighbor or for this kitchen set that you bought me. You know, I'm looking good for you. So the least you can say is, damn, girl, you know, you look fine. So at the end of the day, आप अगर वार्डरोब कंट्रोल नहीं करें, लेकिन आप अच्छा बुरा बता दें कि यार ये अभी तुम वहाँ जा रही हो, सब्जी वाले के पास टैंक टॉप पहनने की क्या जरूरत. बट यू नो, आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ गाइज एज वेल हु आर cool with it. They're like, she can wear whatever she wants to wear, shorts to the beach. She can wear shorts to the beach. I mean, there's no problem wearing shorts to the beach. आप बस अपनी surroundings देखो. हम एक ऐसे environment में रहते हैं जहाँ हमें.
I think it's more about your own safety and security they're concerned about, but not all of them.
Not all of them. मुझे जहाँ तक मुझे feel होता है कि अगर मैं कहती हूँ कि control जहाँ आ जाता है वो यहाँ आता है कि अगर आप जैसे किसी बहुत अच्छी पार्टी पे जा रहे हो जहाँ सब तैयार हुए हैं और आप या आपकी बर्थडे है, आप किसी अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को सरप्राइज देना चाह रहे हो और उसकी ही बर्थडे है और आप उसे बोलो यार बहुत सिंपल ड्रेस होना, जो कि हुआ है. somebody I know has happened to them कि उनकी सरप्राइज बर्थडे रखी है and he's just like, oh you know, तो तुम सिंपल कपड़े पहनना, मैं तुम्हें डिनर पे लेके जा रहा हूँ. उसके सारे दोस्त वहाँ बैठे हुए और उसने ना मेकअप किया हुआ, सब तैयार, इतनी प्रॉपर बड़ी बर्थडे पार्टी, and she looks like shit. Why would you do that to her?
Yeah,
that's toxic. Now that's controlling. And ये एक वो डिबेट आ जाती है कि आपके कहीं 90% यहाँ आदमी ये हैं कि वो आपकी वार्डरोब कंट्रोल ज़बरदस्ती करते हैं. वो इसलिए नहीं करते टू प्रोटेक्ट यू. हाँ, प्रोटेक्ट यू हो भी सकता है, ये होता है मतलब, लेकिन हम औरतों के अंदर इनबिल्ट है कि भाई हमें भी मजदूरों के सामने ऐसे टिप टॉप बन के नहीं जाना, हमें भी मतलब we probably want to make sure that we're also in the सही हुलिया to get work done, you know. But yeah, that's it.
Next question. Posting couple pictures with cringe captions. Public affection or public nonce?
नहीं करें यार, जो करना है अपनी लाइफ में भाई, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता भाई. क्यूट लग रहे हो सही है. लोगों को जिनको कोई नहीं मिलता उनको क्रिंज लगता है. और जिनके पास होता है वो
उनको
कहते हैं
क्यूट
हाँ
लगता
चलो
है,
हाँ उनको
कपल
क्यूट
गोल्स
लगता
वाले
है
उनके बन
जिनके
जाते
पास कोई
आई
नहीं होता
नो
है they're like
दैट।
यू और फिर रात को मेरे पास भी कोई होता है काश
Sleeping angry to cool off. Emotional maturity or emotional terrorism?
sorry can you say that again
Sleeping angry to cool off. Emotional maturity or emotional terrorism?
यार ये भी बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि अगर आप नहीं बात करना चाहते ना तो you should at least tell them कि hey listen अभी मैं ये बात नहीं करना चाहता we'll be fine in the morning just let me sleep over it
हाँ,
let me sleep ये हर चीज़ का तरीका होता है लेकिन ये कि वो कोई बात कर रही है या लड़का कोई बात कर रहा है और बस ऐसे करके कि you
Fuck
know
off.
flick a finger and just go to bed no that's not right you know I feel like कि ना उस बंदी को नींद आएगी या बंदे को नींद आएगी जिसने
नहीं दूसरा वाला तो खुद सो जाएगा।
हाँ दूसरा तो सो जाएगा
दूसरा तो सो
दूसरी या
जाएगा।
दूसरा तो सो जाएगा लेकिन जिसको बोला है कि मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ या सोने जा रही हूँ वो
उसकी
तो
गई ना रात
उसकी तो
बेचारी।
हालत ही खराब हो
It's
जाएगी
same
ना
like we need to talk.
yeah oh yeah
And then-
I hate that I
And
hate
then
that
you're not talking for next 2 days, but we need to talk.
you know as much as I hate that sentence I use it so much we need to because I'm that friend who doesn't pick up the phone right so when I know कि भाई अब 2 हफ्ते हो गए बेस्ट फ्रेंड को फ़ोन नहीं किया अब कॉल करूँगी गालियाँ पड़ेंगी तो मैं लिखती हूँ hey यार we need to talk I need to talk to you we need
Oh
to
my
talk
God.
फौरन फ़ोन आ जाता है मैंने कहा yeah I just want to get your attention and I just want to speak to you there's nothing that is serious so मेरी लाइफ में ये हो रहा है ये हो रहा है ये हो रहा है she's like
Oh
oh my
God.
God you're so bad
Tracking your partner's location 24/7, safety or psycho?
no comments no comments on this no comments on this
Calling.
I mean it's not the right thing to do
Yeah.
but ये भी हो सकता है कि किसी वजह से
24/7.
yeah I mean, I'm not gonna go there. Next question. I don't do it, guys. I swear to God, I don't do that. I would never do that. But yeah, that's not right. I just feel like you have your own life. You shouldn't have to make somebody the center of your life, and that's your goal. अपनी life जिएं, उनको भी अपनी life जीने दें.
जियो और जीने दो.
हाँ, exactly. जियो और जीने दो. Yeah.
Okay, calling them mine all the time, cute or possessive?
सेंटेंस में बोलो कैसे mine you're mine baby you're mine I love you you're mine ये इस तरह
Yeah, like all the time.
बस ये तो annoying हो गया ना
है ना?
थोड़ा हाँ।
Possessive. Bringing up your
ये
ex in
validation खुद
हाँ
के
ये
लिए
अपने लिए कि हाँ
अपनी
ये
validation कि मेरा है, मेरा है, मेरा है।
insecurity है. Bringing up your ex in fights, relevant history or messy mystery?
messy mystery
Expecting them to read your mind, intuitive romance or silent punishment? I guess you have to create a good balance for this.
no it's a silent punishment
I know, but you know sometimes there are things which are so obvious you expect things from others.
अच्छा ठीक है okay
In that way, I guess कि वो एक balance होना जरूरी है.
यार लेकिन कभी ऐसी भी चीजें हो जाती हैं कि मतलब मैंने भी बहुत दफा ये किया है बट ये है कि वो नई लड़कों को समझ आता भाई नहीं आता छोड़ दे ये करना असल में उनको लगेगा कि भाई उनको पता भी नहीं होगा कि ये नाराज है मतलब ये मैं रूठी बैठी होंगी ना it's going to take my husband 2 working days to understand what he did last Sunday that triggered me today and I have to say it out loud and once I do say it out loud na the reaction is almost as like oh my God why didn't you tell me and it happens there and then you know so I'm just like अब obviously मैं आपको experience से बता रही हूँ भाई मैं वाकई लव गुरु हाँ so I'm telling you from experience कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है silent treatment जब दें जब ना कोई बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाए लेकिन अगर जैसे कोई
हाँ make a conversation
I think communication is key
Yeah.
like I feel like हाँ ठीक है intuitive नहीं है भाई हमारे मर्द intuitive होते तो क्या ही बात होती यार
dumpsters. Okay, Ji, we are done with this segment and
Wow.
we are going for our next segment, sip or slip.
Oh my god. I'm so scared.
Oh, it was sip or spill. Sorry, I
Okay.
have made everything by my own and I forgot the name.
Okay.
Can we have our shots?
Let's
Okay, Ji, ready?
Yes, I hope so.
Never have I ever gone back to an ex after saying never again.
Never. No. Never. क्योंकि थूका हुआ चाटा नहीं जाता.
I've done this once in my life, then I learned my lesson.
Oh my god. I have never gone back.
Never have I ever stalked someone's new partner online.
Wait, let me think about it.
You might have.
Yes, I had. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh god.
Never have I ever sent a risky text and blamed it on being half asleep. नींद में थी मैं तो. Shit, मैंने तुम्हें भेजा था. Oh, I'm sorry. मैं तो सो रही थी. Did you ever
No.
do this?
No, I've never. I'm very self-aware.
No. Honestly, वो self awareness में ही भेजते हैं, but बाद
हाँ,
में it's a
नहीं मैंने
बहाना.
कभी नहीं किया.
Okay. Never have I ever liked someone just because they're unavailable.
Never have I ever.
Liked someone just because they're unavailable.
No. No.
ये अभी स्कूल वाली जब बात से शुरू हुई थी, you said this. कि
No. मतलब पसंद मतलब अच्छा liking not being with हाँ फिर of course like school में I had a really
big crush.
crazy crush on this guy. He's not even my type, you know. The thing is, it's so funny. Like that day, I was thinking about it. I was like, how can I have had a crush on this guy? Because this is not even my type. I don't even. What was I thinking? Like,
Oh
so
my
it was
God.
okay.
Yay! Never have I ever lied about being over it when I was anything but. Last one. इसके लिए तो ये दोबारा रिफिल होगा.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. इसके
Oh
लिए तो
my
ये रिफिल
gosh.
होगा.
I hope I don't have to drink that. Put more in yours. You put so much in mine, and
यार ये
look
लो
at-
ये लो ये लो.
Okay, good. Now we're even.
नाराज नहीं होते. Never have I ever been the red flag and blamed them.
I've never been the red flag. Never. I was literally this. मैं इतनी sweet थी ना कि मैं अपने आप को भूल जाती थी.
I know, but in any case, like not like generally पूरा relation,
No.
but किसी एक time पर, have you ever thought about
Me being the red flag?
हाँ कि यार maybe यहाँ पे
मतलब मैंने सोचा कि शायद मेरी भी कहीं ना कहीं गलती हो सकती है, लेकिन ना. जितने crazy वो थे ना, मेरी गलती नहीं थी. They were the crazy ones.
तो फिर ये हम दोनों का ज़ाया हो गया.
हाँ, चलो कोई और question है?
We're done with this. This was fun. Our last segment is rapid fire,
Okay.
and it's going to be really fun.
Okay.
First question.
Okay.
So I have actually made this rapid fire knowing that you have a toddler now.
Okay. Wow.
And obviously relationship mein when you have a baby,
Yeah.
so a lot of other things are like, you know, it jumbled up.
Okay.
तो मैंने ये बहुत सोच समझ के तुम्हारे लिए बनाया था.
Mm-hmm.
Because babies aren't the only drama in the house is the name of this rapid fire.
Okay.
Who's changed more diapers, you or your excuses? Because it's usually you or your excuses.
I mean, me.
Obviously.
Can't be my excuses because I can't excuse dirty pamper.
Be
like,
honest.
excuse me, you gotta change it by yourself. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
Be honest. Have you ever faked sleep to avoid baby duty?
Yes. especially in the morning. And uh, even in the middle of the night, you know, obviously बच्चा रोता है तो आँख तो
आँख खुल
खुल ही
जाती
जाती
है,
है.
but
But I just speak and I'm like, yes, देखो ना. And then he's just like, okay, okay, sleep.
who is the fun parent and who is the default babysitter?
I think we both are fun parents. Oais is more fun because obviously he comes after the office and his battery is 100% when he
Yeah.
sees the kid, and she also needs a change of environment. Honestly, it takes a village to raise a kid, but the default babysitters are definitely my mother-in-law and my nand, and they happily do it, and my father-in-law too.
Oh
Like
God.
yesterday I had a meeting, so nobody was available. My mother-in-law was out. My sister-in-law was gone. So I had to leave my daughter with my husband at his office. And she was literally sitting in her grandfather's office और वहाँ meetings चल रही हैं और माया के सारे खिलौने पड़े हुए हैं और proper like business deals वहाँ lock हो रही हैं और बच्चा इधर से उधर भाग रहा है. I'm like, and then everyone just, all the men just look at me. They're like, hi. Hi, okay, take your kid home.
Now we know.
I was like, yeah, now you know.
Okay, has sexy time turned into sleepy time since the baby came?
Obviously.
All
I
of
mean,
it?
I mean,
All of it?
I mean, don't you know? Yeah, obviously, like, come on, it's just, it's a tiring job. It's a
It is.
24/7. You're just with a kid, and sometimes you're just, कहते हैं ना बच्चे का ज्यादा टीवी नहीं दिखा वो ओवर स्टिम्युलेट हो जाएगा सो वैसे पेरेंट्स ओवर स्टिम्युलेट हो
know.
जाते हैं
And
कभी
I
तुम
think कि
पकड़े हो
उसके
कभी
बाद
तुम
तो-
पकड़ो कभी तुम
उसके बाद
पकड़ो
तो वैसे भी दिल नहीं करता होगा.
yeah you get so tired you're just like hey love
Okay,
ya
bro, bye.
love ya see you in the morning.
Which one of you Googled, is it normal if my baby dash more?
If
Like-
my baby what
Like whatever is your query.
Huh.
Which one of you have Googled more?
more I am definitely the Google queen.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
I
you're
Google
always, like,
everything.
Googling-
Why is my baby not sleeping? Why is my baby?
Oh.
Why is my baby acting weird? Why is my baby clingy? Why is my baby's teeth not come? Why has my baby not started crawling yet? So I'm Oasis is just
You're
like
the Google mommy.
he's like just stop it. You know, because in the beginning of our relationship, the thing was that obviously when you feel safe with somebody, you ask them a lot of questions. In my
Yeah.
previous relationships, I would never ask too many questions because I never felt secure, safe, you know, and would always often feel judged for asking questions. But
Ah.
Oasis was always like, before we got married and before we started dating, we were friends in college, you know, so हमारी दोस्ती हमेशा से बहुत थी. So after we got married, I'd be like, what does this do? What's happening? What is she saying?
Oh my
What is
God.
happening? What's happening? I understand the movie exactly. What's happening? What is she saying? Why did she say this? Tell me more. Okay. I just want to hear him speak, right?
Hey, have you seen Didi?
Yeah, I was Didi.
Didi.
I was Didi. Okay, so one day he turned and he's like, why don't you ask Google? and then you know, I took that to my heart. I was like, oh my God, he doesn't want me to ask him questions anymore. So then I would just keep Google. और मुझे ऐसा चस्का चढ़ा Google का कि बस सब
And
ChatGPT,
now
bro.
it's like more easy because of ChatGPT.
Yeah,
and everything.
ChatGPT is like my therapist.
Unpaid.
Literally.
Ever use the baby as an excuse to cancel plans because you
All
didn't
the
want
time. All the time.
to? Now I will know.
All the time. यार वैसे बच्चे के साथ आप वैसे ही busy होते हो.
I know. And then you don't have energy to get ready, get up and go out with
But
people,
it's
right?
the perfect excuse, you know. Like
know.
it's the perfect.
And people will eventually understand this as well. Because
Yeah.
अच्छा यार, हाँ यार,
I mean,
उसका
मैं
इतना सा
पता है
baby
किसी
है.
को अभी blame नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि अभी मेरे दोस्तों के बच्चे नहीं हैं. लेकिन जब उनके
Yeah.
बच्चे होंगे
Then they will for sure
और
understand
मेरी
this.
बेटी बड़ी हो जाएगी तो फिर देखना क्या होगा.
Who is more jealous of the baby, the partner or the pet?
Who's more jealous of the baby?
The partner or the pet? Because you give more
Pet.
attention. Okay.
Hazel is damn jealous. My dog is so jealous of my daughter कि मुझे फिर उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा अपने आप से अलग करना पड़ा. Even though I love her so much. I mean, I've had Hazel since the last 5.5 years. she's like literally the apple of my eye.
Yeah.
But वो उसको फिर but खैर
Hey,
वो
you know
हमारे
what?
बहुत सारे कुत्ते हैं घर में.
So your friend who gifted you Hazel is my friend as well. We have Doc.
Oh अच्छा.
हाँ.
Okay ठीक है. He didn't gift me Hazel.
Okay.
My
Because last time he told me, अभी on camera हम record
yeah,
करके
he didn't.
चलाएंगे.
You didn't gift me Hazel, bro. I mean,
Then?
he recommended somebody that
didn't?
would that had Hazel. She's a little puppy, and Ali and my brother-in-law Azam. I had lost a dog due to tick fever. She got
Yeah.
sick. So a couple of months में शादी से थोड़ा पहले my brother and my brother-in-law they both came together and they discussed and they both bought it for me. And but Doc was the one who recommended कि ये pups हैं.
Wrong info. Got you.
But he's a great doctor.
He's a good doctor, I know, but
Although
still.
my dogs are a little scared of you. Why?
Okay, do you secretly judge other parents or loudly?
No, I don't judge parents because being a parent is a very difficult job. And whoever judges me, I think you should stop judging me because step in my shoes for one day, you'll freaking cry.
Have you ever lied to your partner about how long the baby actually cried while they were gone?
No, I don't lie to my partner. I want my partner to know that she's crying and he needs to. You know what he says to me? He's like, yeah, they're kids, they cry. I was like, okay, you do what I'm doing for one day and the whole day. And and then one day Oasis comes home and he's like, because he was really busy at work, right? So he couldn't encounter those moments that I was having.
Yeah.
एक spell आया था बच्चे का जो वो इतना रो रही थी मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही थी वो क्यों रो रही है, right? And she was just having tantrums over tantrums. So one day Oasis had like the entire day off, and he would be like, क्या हुआ इतना क्यों रो रही है? And I was like, ये normal है, ये normal है, ठीक है, ये रोती है इस तरह.
Oh God.
So he's like, अच्छा. So that's when he's like, ah, now I understand what she was talking about. I never lie to my partner. I make sure he knows what I'm going through.
Because I think your baby's a crybaby.
My baby's not a crybaby.
Not now, but she was.
Yeah,
she had
like,
a phase now.
एक
Because
phase
I've
आया
heard
था
कि
where she
I've
really
heard कि their kids उनके ये वाले phase आते हैं.
terrible twos हाँ
है
इसका
ना?
जो ये 1.5 की हुई थी ना इसका मेरा ख्याल है terrible twos जो एक टर्म है जब बच्चे 2 साल के हो जाते हैं तो बहुत tantrums होते हैं लेकिन जो 1.5 में जो वो अपने emotions और वो feelings और frustration anger ये सारे emotions जब experience कर रही थी she didn't know what these were, right? So it was for me to kind of I'm also learning with her whatever
It's your
is
first
happening.
baby, obviously.
So वो 1.5 to अब तो बहुत कम हो गए हैं बेटर हो गए हैं कम भी हो गए हैं जाहिर सी बात है बट वो बहुत ज़्यादा था उस टाइम में आई कि पता नहीं क्यों रो रही है मुझे because she was always like since she was born till she was 1 she's like zen an angel like मैं इतनी लंबी लंबी 13 घंटे की फ्लाइट्स अकेले ले चुकी हूँ उसके साथ not even a word like ई भी नहीं की उसने तो हाँ फिर मेरे लिए ऑब्वियसली वो ये खैर वो इतना नहीं करती लेकिन जब करती है तो हमें वो वक्त याद आ जाता है कि ओ यार ये तो ई भी नहीं करती थी तो what's going on so but she's just you know kind of evolving and kind of experiencing those emotions and it's new to her
it's also new to her. Would you rather get a full night's sleep or a valid night out? Be honest, you're tired legend.
I'm tired all the time. I need to sleep. I would sleep at home. I don't like going out, man. I just don't like going out. I used to go out all the time when I was 17 and till I was 26. I'm done. I have retired.
Want a round called mom guilt or dad drama?
Mom guilt, for sure. I have a lot of mom guilt. मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए भी जाती हूँ ना, I start missing my kid. I don't even think my kid misses me as much as I miss her. You know?
Obviously, it's a kid. I mean,
yeah, she misses me. I mean, I miss her more.
You miss her more.
Yeah, so when I come home, like, I see her and but I have a whole village at home.
Huh.
I have
There are
everyone
people
who's
who are
stepping
going
in to
take care of her. Who are
and I know
not
she's
going
in
to-
good hands. In the beginning, I would be very scared, you know, and मैं बिल्कुल ही सीने से लगा के रखती थी, मैं छोड़ती नहीं थी. And my mother-in-law would be like, hey, you know, like, इसको छोड़ा करो, बट उन्होंने भी मुझे ज़्यादा प्रेशराइज नहीं किया, उन्होंने कहा भाई अपने टाइम से छोड़ देगी. बट द थिंग इज़ कि जब मैंने अब छोड़ने लगती हूँ ना, सो लिटरली 2 लोग 3 लोग होते हैं आगे पीछे भाग रहे होते हैं, मतलब. एंड खैर माई किड इज़ रियली, शी रियली लव्स हर दादो, so she's really attached to her. And obviously हम घर पे होते हैं, it's easier for me to just leave her at home and just head out rather than going to Nano and dropping to Nano. And Nano के अपने weekend के days होते हैं और weekdays पे दादो होती हैं. So ये होता है कि grandparents होते तो बहुत आसानी हो
I
जाती
mean,
है.
that's a blessing for the parents as well, because
Yeah, you know,
you don't have to, trust other people, because your own
Yeah.
relatives are there for the kids,
एंड प्लस
right?
अगर आप क्या अपनी हाउस हेल्प के लिए भी, जैसे नैनी आपने हायर कर ली, वो भी कर लिया, तो आपको ये होता है कि घर पे एक बंदा है जो आप जितना ही
हाँ.
प्यार करता है औलाद से, और वो सुपरवाइज करने के लिए है
हाँ.
कि यू नो लाइक शी कैन, इफ शी इज टायर्ड, शी इज टेकिंग अ ब्रेक, somebody else can step in. If that person is taking a break, somebody else can step in.
Yeah.
So it just balances everything out. अब जाके पहले तो मैं पूरे 2 साल जो मैंने, I mean like most of these 2 years, it was just me. Like I would be at it कि मैं खुद ही सब करती थी. But अब मैंने जब वो थोड़ा expressive हो गई, वो समझने लग गई कि when mom leaves, she always comes back. Like this is one term I keep repeating to her again and again. When mom leaves, she always comes back. So I think वो validation उसको समझ में आने लग गई है अब. Like मैंने काफ़ी time, महीनों तक उसको शुरू में
train
तो पता
किया
ही नहीं
है.
चलता था. When mom leaves, always what is she saying? But वो एक आपको repetition करनी पड़ती है for the
Yeah.
child to understand.
Chalo, we are done with our all of our segments and show, and I just hope that you liked it.
Yeah,
Did you?
I knew I would have fun with you because obviously you're my friend. So I would obviously have fun. And when you're doing a show with your friend, you आप खुल्लम खुल्ला
It's
बात कर
always
सकते
fun.
हो. Yeah,
It's
it's
always
always fun, and you can be very transparent and kind of talk and be yourself. So yeah, I love coming to shows where I just can be myself and I don't need to beat around the bush.
Chalo, that's great to know, and I'm also really thankful to you कि तुम आई और तुमने हमें इतना सारा टाइम दिया. शो से पहले भी इतना सारा टाइम दिया क्योंकि हमारे सेट के बहुत मसले थे आज. बट हम इसी तरह किसी और एपिसोड में किसी और बहुत ही मज़ेदार से गेस्ट के साथ आपसे मुलाकात करने आएंगे. उससे पहले आप हमारे सारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स को, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, क्या क्या होता है, और यूट्यूब वगैरह जितने भी होते हैं, उन सबको आप लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. वन मोर थिंग, आप लोग अपनी स्टोरीज भी हमसे शेयर कर सकते हैं. हम एनोनिमसली उसको अपने शो में ऐड करेंगे. एंड व्हाट एल्स, आई वांट यू टू गिव देम a good advice about relationships.
Good advice about relationships, I would tell all the girls and guys out there that please don't settle for less and make sure that you know what your own worth is. पहले अपने ऊपर काम करें, अपने future के ऊपर काम करें. Make sure you have built your own identity before stepping into a relationship, because often ये होता है when you step into a relationship you forget who you are. Because you're either the other person is so overpowering, and or you just feel like that you you know, like sometimes we become pushover, you know. So always remain true to yourself and then commence the relationship.
That is a beautiful advice. Please follow it, and bye bye.